these are bottle openers. I don't see why we would need this, but I got them because I like to waste my money on stuff. Okay. Is this a boomerang? Ow, my toe! Nope, it's just different kinds of them. Okay, I don't really have any cans laying around my house. I have only one, which is probably doesn't taste good. But I want to try it with one of these. And we're probably going to buy some canned soda. Okay, so I do not have any bottles laying around, but I just have this. This is the only kind of bottles I have laying around. So to use it... Oh. Oh. Huh? No. Oh! What the heck? That really worked? I'm scared to drink it now. It's so old. Okay, you don't have to be in the video though. I'm scared to drink it now. This is like three months old.
It's covered.
This was like 3 months old.
Get it.
Okay, it doesn't look. Hey, my studio. I'm just gonna drink it now. Okay.
Watching
Oh my god. Let's go. I regret doing that. My nose. It went right through my nose.
oh hell no.
Okay, so I might have accidentally on my studio carpet. Don't ask why there's carpet in my studio, because there is carpet in my studio and I do not. Oh, you just have a feet. What am I supposed to do with carpet? Like what? But anyways, this is good though.